Is your Roborock S7 acting like the floor is made of lava? 1 minute it's cleaning like a pro, and the next it's frozen in place, terrified of an imaginary cliff on your perfectly flat carpet. It's a common headache for S7 owners, and honestly, it's enough to make you want to grab an old-fashioned broom. So, what's the deal? Is your robot suddenly afraid of heights? Not exactly. This error is usually caused by a buildup of fine dust or internal debris clouding the cliff sensor. Sometimes the plastic covers become so scratched or clouded that the robot can no longer see the floor, making it think it's about to take a terminal tumble. If you ignore it, you're stuck with a vacuum that refuses to cross shadows, or even worse, one that loses its vision entirely and takes a suicidal dive down your actual stairs. Don't let a sensor malfunction ruin your floors. Here at RoboCare, we've seen this 1,000 times and know exactly how to get your bot back on track. We understand the Roborock S7's sophisticated hardware inside and out, from its ultrasonic mopping modules to its complex infrared sensor array. We don't just guess at the problem, we use specialized diagnostic equipment to measure signal integrity and pinpoint exactly why your robot thinks it's standing on a ledge. Our expert robot vacuum repair process involves a deep dive inspection of the internal optical paths. Whether the issue is caused by microscopic dust intrusion or a complete hardware failure, we replace faulty sensors with genuine components. We pride ourselves on restoring the intelligence to your intelligent vacuum. But seeing is believing, right? Let's show you some results. Look at that. After a RoboCare restoration, this Roborock S7 is back to its full cleaning glory. No errors, no hesitations, just spotless floors. Ready to save your robot vacuum? Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We handle the fixing and the frustration.